Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok account. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you're using Android, don't worry because the process is still the same. Okay, so let's get started. So first, you want to open your TikTok app and then make sure that your account is logged into it. Okay, and then after that, you want to click on these three little lines on the upper right side of your screen. Then after that, just go ahead and click settings and continue and privacy. And then here, go ahead and click account. And then here, you can see deactivate or delete account. So just go ahead and click on that. And then here, you can choose deactivate account or delete account permanently. So just go ahead and click delete account permanently. So here, TikTok will ask you why are you leaving TikTok. So just go ahead and choose any of these reasons. Okay, so for example, I'm leaving temporarily, so just click continue, and also you can skip that part. Okay, and then here you can request download. So if you already requested a copy of your data, wait until you download it before deleting account. Okay, so if you're done with that, just go ahead and click this and then click continue. So here, delete this account. Your account will be deactivated for 30 days and won't be visible to the public. During the activation, you can reactivate your TikTok account anytime after 30 days. Your account and data will be deleted permanently. So you can just read this, then after, just click continue. So here, you just need to verify your account. So just click continue with Google. Then click continue. So Google will just verify your account if it's really you. Okay. So I'm just gonna type my password. So after that, after you verify your account, just click delete account and your account will be deleted. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.